Hello friends, my name is Adyan. Today I am going to teach you how to make a paper wiggling dinosaur. Now you would think, no, what is this? It's like this. Don't think that this is simple, it's very fun. See? This is the, no, take one. Then close it. See? Mouth is moving. Or you can do with both the hands also. Don't do so much also. Very fun it is. See this. So I'll teach you how to make it. First, can you see it properly? So, first we will need a square paper and then we have to take a square paper. So, again I am saying we need a square paper. See? Green color. If you don't have, then no need, you can make a plain dinosaur. If you have a green paper, look good. So let's start. First, make it like a diamond shape. Rhombus. This is not called diamond, this is called rhombus. So keep it like a rhombus shape, and then take this part till here, make it into halves. Take this part till this end. Very nice. I'm closing my eyes and do. This line is here. I will first make this line. See, it happened. No, very nicely it happened. I close my eyes and do. Do the same thing here also. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so let's start. Do the same thing here also. See this. Now we have to take this part till this part, okay? This Now we did this like this. Do the same thing here. Do the same thing here also. Same thing, line should complete, but we no need to open. Now this part is there, no. End of this is there, no, see, till this corner part. No need, I'll tell you the simple way only. It's very simple. Take this down part till here. Take the down part till here. See this? Now we have to, you can take one of these parts and take this till here, till the end of here. See this? Done. See, it's done now like this. Now fold this here. Fold it from right side. The top one from right side, the down one also from right side. And do the same thing here also. See this? Done? Now do the same thing like this. Line came. Open it, line came. Now take this part to your left side and it should not cross this slanting line. See, done? Now open this and do the same. Don't cross the line. Now fold it like this. Wait a minute, I will show you the next part. In real, this one was wrong. I'm little bit confused, that's why. Wait a minute. Now, I was saying that it was like this. Now we have to open it. Open it. Now you get some line here. Now do the other side. The same how you did this side. Now open it. Now we have to we have to take this part. Cross is there, no? Take this cross, this corner part, join this together like this. Then fold it this side. Do the same with this. I'll do it and then I'll show you. Wait. It became like this. So now it's ready. Now this part is there, turn it back. Here. Now it was like this. Fold this back side. Okay, wait a minute. See this? See, done. Open this part and then take this part also. Done. Now I'll show you how to play. Now take this part, open, keep your finger and keep this part. Now open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, close it. Now just open it, close it, open it, close it, open it, close it. Okay? It's ready. So friends, if you like this video then please subscribe it and give a like. Until that time, thank you.